Hey, what's up? It's Cheption Mutai. Welcome to my YouTube channel on freelance and business. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check exchange rate of any currency on your phone. To do this, open your calculator app on your phone. Tap on exchange rate. Select the currency that you want to change from. For example, here I'm selecting USD to Kenya shillings. So currently you can see like one US dollar exchanges for 107. You can check other currencies by tapping on currency, then selecting the currency that you want to exchange from. For example, Tanzanian shillings. So for example, if we cancel here and select one Kenya shillings is equal to 21.49 Tanzanian shillings. And that is it on how to check exchange rate for free on your Android phone. Thank you for watching this video.
Looking for professional screencast video production services? Request a free quote on www.techtubestudio.com.